Hello and welcome. My name is Jennifer Clark, and I am editor-in-chief of the journal Regional Studies, a leading international and interdisciplinary academic journal covering the development of theories and concepts, empirical analysis, and policy debate in the field of regional studies. The journal, published by the Regional Studies Association, showcases original research spanning the economic, social, political, and environmental dimensions of urban and regional change. I am happy to be here today to announce the award for the 2026 Regional Studies Best Paper to the authors of the article, The Dark Side of the Geography of Innovation, Relatedness, Complexity, and Regional Inequality in Europe. The authors are Flavio Pinheiro of the Universidade Nova de Lisboa in Portugal, Pierre-Alexandre Balland of the Center for European Policy Studies in Brussels and Harvard University's Growth Lab, Dominik Hartmann of the Federal University of Santa Catarina in Brazil, and Ron Boschma of Utrecht University in the Netherlands and the University of Stavanger in Norway. Many congratulations on your paper, and thank you all for joining me today. Would you like to say a few words, Flavio?
Um, Thank you. I'd like to thanks in particular to Regional Studies Association, the editorial team, for this honor. It was great fun to work on this manuscript with all the co-authors, Dominique, Ron, and Pierre. And thank you all for working together in this paper. And thank you once more for this recognition.
Yes, thank you so much. We're very, very happy, very honored for this recognition today. I want to say one thing about the paper, one tagline. It's that there's been a lot of research on the principle of relatedness and how regions diversify over time. And the main point this paper is making is that through this same principle of relatedness, there is a richer get richer effect. And then the region that sits next to complex economic activities, they will naturally diversify into that. But the regions that are far away, through relatedness, basically will get stuck into this lack of opportunities. So this paper really shed light on this element and also highlight the need for policymaking to go beyond the principle of relatedness and really think about how to really help region through a few focused bets to move in this value chain. So that's really, really important. That's the core of the paper. And I want to say also a big thank you to the Regional Studies Association, not just for this paper award, but also because Regional Studies was the very first journal where I published my first paper about 15 years ago, and that had a tremendous impact on my career. And what I really love about Regional Studies is that it has at the same time excellent research. There is a high bar on what gets published, but it's also very practical, and a lot of practitioners and policymakers actually are part of the readership. So it's not just obscure, let's say, ivory tower type of research, but it does really have an impact. And the Regional Studies Association is making this bridge. So immense thank you for that.
So also from my side, thank you very much to Jennifer, the editorial board, and the Regional Studies Association. I'm very happy and honored that our paper resonates so well with the regional studies community. And a lot of thanks to Flavio, Pierre-Alex, and Ron for the great teamwork that we did in this work. And it was a very inspiring collaboration across evolution, economic geography, inequality research, and complexity science. The paper highlights that related economic diversification may rather lead to more regional disparities than reduce it. This leads to big policy challenges. So how to promote innovation and excellence while at the same time ensuring that less developed regions are not left behind. And I'm also very grateful that Regional Studies provides such a prominent forum for debates on both the bright and the dark side of the geography of innovation. And so thank you very much, and I hand over to Ron now.
Well, thanks very much. Of course, I'm very pleased that Regional Studies has awarded us the Best Paper Award. I think we are all super happy with that. So I think it was great to work on this paper with my co-authors. It was a great collaboration. It took us many years. We put a lot of effort into that. The reason why it also took so long is not only because we are all very busy, but we also work in different continents or different parts of the globe. So it was kind of challenging now and then to coordinate and to collaborate, but in the end it worked out very well. And I'm super happy that we have been granted this very prestigious Best Paper Award.
Congratulations to all the authors once again, and thank you all for joining us today to celebrate your excellent paper. Goodbye.